Question 1051. A note payable for interest only is referred to as A. Negotiable note. B. Soft money loan. C. Amortized loan. D. Straight note. Correct answer is D. Straight note. Interest-only loans are the kind which are not amortized, as payments are not applied to the underlying principal, called a straight note. Question 1052. In the General Accounting Practices System for trust funds, all of the following tools should be used, except A. Journal. B. Cash ledger. C. Columnar. D. Beneficiary ledger. Correct answer is C. Columnar. Columnar actually refers to the other accounting option used for trust funds besides the General Accounting Practices method. Question 1053. Which law mandates informing the public about the sexual offender database? A. Megan's Law. B. Melrose Act. C. Unruh Act. D. Sex Offender Disclosure Act of 2002. Correct answer is A. Megan's Law. Megan's laws are state and federal statutes that require convicted sex offenders to register with local police. In 2004, the California legislature enacted a law requiring that certain registered sex offenders be posted on a Megan's Law internet site maintained by the Department of Justice. Question 1054. If a potential client brings a friend with him on a broker's tour of properties, the broker should A. Politely inform the friend he is not allowed on the tour. B. Double the number of properties being shown. C. Enlist the friend as an ally. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Enlist the friend as an ally. Potential buyers tend to ask relatives and friends for their opinions on properties they are considering. Question 1055. A 50-year-old residential property and a new residence are on comparable lots. The cost approach would be more efficient in appraising the A. New residence. B. Old residence. C. Either residence. D. The cost approach cannot be used for residential properties. Correct answer is a new residence. The cost approach is more efficient for the new residence than the 50-year-old one because of having to calculate the depreciation for the older property. Question 1056. A formal declaration that an affidavit is true by someone whose beliefs prohibit taking an oath is called A. Assertion. B. Proclamation. C. Affidavit. D. Affirmation. Correct answer is D. Affirmation. An affirmation is used to declare the truth solemnly and formally but not under oath. They are usually utilized by persons who decline to take an oath for religious reasons. Question 1057. Companies wishing to act as an escrow officer must apply for an escrow license to the A. Bureau of Real Estate. B. Better Business Bureau. C. Department of Business Oversight. D. HUD. Correct answer is C. Department of Business Oversight. A licensed escrow company, which is also known as an independent escrow company, is licensed by the CA Department of Business Oversight, formerly known as the Department of Corporations. Question 1058. A vertical load such as a floor or the roof is supported by A. Interior sheathing. B. Siding. C. Supportive joisters. D. Load-bearing walls. Correct answer is D. Load-bearing walls. Before a home renovation, it should be noted that, with newer houses or those that have previously undergone structural renovation, like adding a room, it can be difficult to determine which walls are load-bearing and should not be removed. An architect or engineer should be consulted. Question 1059. If a purchaser under a land contract makes deposits into an impound account designated to cover taxes and insurance, those funds cannot be used for any other reason without consent by the A. Beneficiary. B. Seller. C. Purchaser. D. Impound accountant. Correct answer is C. Purchaser. The purchaser paying the impound amounts, the payer, is the only person authorized to spend those funds on a different purpose. Question 1060. The most significant factor in qualifying a prospective loan borrower would be A. Number of dependents. B. Debt-to-income ratio, DTI. C. Job prospects. D. Credit score. Correct answer is B. Debt-to-income ratio, DTI. Although an applicant's credit score will certainly be taken into account, lenders give the most weight for making their decisions to the DTI. The front-end ratio calculate gross income from all sources before taxes against the proposed monthly housing expenses. The back-end ratio measures income against all the applicant's recurring monthly debts. Question 1061. Jerry and Ronnie form a partnership. Their partnership can take title to property in A. only in the name of one of the partners designated by the partnership to hold title, B. only in the name of the partnership, C. in the name of either of the partners, D. only in the name of a third party. Correct answer is C. in the name of either of the partners. According to California law, partnerships can take title in the name of the partnership, in any of the partners' names, or in the name of a trustee as a third party. Question 1062. The Statute of Frauds requires that the following kinds of agreements be in writing in order to be valid, except A. Listing agreement. B. Contract to sell property. C. Agreement by two brokers to share a commission. D. Buyer agency agreement. Correct answer is C. Agreement by two brokers to share a commission. A broker's agreement to split a commission is not required to be writing by the Statute of Frauds.